Hey guys, welcome back to Out and About with Abe. Today we are going to be using a 102-year-old typewriter. Okay. Now this thing is very delicate. We do want to move that. Okay, let's get a piece of paper. But first things first, you are going to put this in. I have the paper in. Let's put it up a little more. Now, we are going to type something. Done. Let's see what this says. There are a bunch of different things. I'm really curious about doing this cent symbol. So, let's test that out real quick. Oh, it worked. It worked really well. Here, let's scroll this up. So there's the cent. Now, I didn't put any spaces. I forgot. But who cares? Abe is school. What? No, it's Abe is cool.